Ladies and gentlemen, wish you all a very happy new year from Zapyard team. As we step into a brand new year of 2024, which is filled with innumerable possibilities, I am absolutely thrilled to talk to you about the mind-boggling world of Gen AI at SAP. Get ready for a roller coaster ride of intelligence, artificial intelligence, and a sprinkle of humor to keep you all entertained. So imagine this, that you are sitting at your desk, sipping your hot coffee and right in this beautiful winter weather. And suddenly your computer starts talking to you. No, don't think that it's possessed by some mischievous ghost. It's just artificial intelligence saying, "Hey there human, let's conquer the world together." Now that's a conversation starter, isn't it? But how did we get here? Well, let's rewind a bit. Intelligence has always been a fascinating trait of humanity. We have come a long way from the cavemen drawing on walls to communicate. Now we have AI-powered chatbots that can answer our questions, tell us jokes, and even pretend to be our best friends, right? Who needs real friends when you have a chatbot that laughs at all your jokes, right? But jokes apart, yes, we do need real friends and best friends. So, now let's talk about the statistical approaches to AI. It's like a buffet of algorithms where machines learn from data and improve their performance. It's like teaching a computer to play chess and then watching it beat the grandmasters. Talk about a checkmate moment. But wait, there's more. Deep learning, which is a kind of a subset of machine learning, is like the brain's cooler cousin. It's like training a neural network to recognize images, just like we do when we spot a cute puppy in a sea of kittens. And let's be honest, who can resist the power of adorable animals, right? Now, let's go to the star of the show, Gen AI, the Picasso of artificial intelligence. It's like having an AI-powered muse that inspires us to think outside the box and create something entirely new. It's like having a virtual Bob Ross guiding us through the happy little incidents of creativity. And remember, there are no mistakes, just happy little AI generated masterpieces. So, generative AI is basically a form of artificial intelligence that can produce text, images, and varied content based on the data it is trained on. At SAP, we recognize the immense potential of generative AI and its ability to transform industries and drive innovation. We believe that by harnessing the power of Gen AI, we can unlock new possibilities and create a future where technology and human genuinity can go hand in hand and make it much more tech-powered and super-powered. So in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Gen AI at SAP is not just about technology. It's about unleashing our imagination, embracing the unexpected, and creating a future that is both intelligent and hilarious. So let's embark on this exciting journey together where intelligence meets laughter, and let's paint a world that is filled with endless possibilities. But before we wrap up, I want to extend a heartfelt thank to all of you, to each and every one of you, for lending all your support and ears for all this journey throughout with us and help us in all our journey. Your enthusiasm and curiosity are what makes these discussions truly special. So stay connected with us, stay curious, stay subscribed to us, and let's continue to explore the frontiers of Gen AI together. Thank you for your attention, and let's get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Gen AI. See you soon. Thank you.